Thank you, Christian. You know, I was planning to host this event with Christian of Magkaribal, but then since I'm the mother of the bride, they won't allow me. Well, honestly, I'm not prepared for this speech because ever since they arrived last July 20, we were really busy, super busy that I hardly had the time to prepare. Well, anyway, I would just like to share with you my first encounter with Ed, known as Bot pala. No? Yeah, honestly. When I first saw him, he was at the house. I came from work, and as soon as I entered the house, he stood up, which is normal for the other friends of my daughters. But then he approached me. So I thought, wala naman akong dala-dala, bakit biglang he approached me? Yun pala, he got my hand and he blessed my hand. So, nashock ako. Kasi this was the very first time that my daughter's visitor got my hand and blessed my hand. Sabi ko, para yatang probinsyano. Well, anyway, I loved him for that. Actually, of course, I wanted the best for my daughter and my other daughter as well. And I had some criteria in mind for a good partner. I think, I hope that I saw everything in Ed. From being, from being number one, God-fearing, and I know he will love us in the same way that he loves my daughter. Ano ba yan? Number three, I find him naman responsible. Number two pa lang ba? I know he is responsible and I know he loves my daughter very, very much. And I see how he spoiled him. Also, I know he has ambition, which is important. No? Let's be practical. Yan, to both of you, enjoy your life. Whatever flaws Lori has, pagpasensyahan mo na. Since you're older naman, di ba? And to Rika, learn to be a good wife and husband, and as well as a good mother in the future. Ay, anong ba to? I promised myself not to cry, but I really couldn't help it. Maybe kailangan ako ni Christian sa Magkaribal eh. Well, I guess I have to turn this over to RJ. Thanks, RJ.
Thank you po very much, Mrs. Santos.